Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to remove Apple Cash from your payment method and shipping. First, open the wallet app on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap the plus icon at the top right corner. Next, you'll see the previous card option. Tap on that and you'll see the cards that are linked to your account. From here, you can easily remove any cards including Apple Cash. Now head over to the settings app on your iPhone. At the top, tap on your Apple profile. In the menu that pops up, look for the payments and shipping section. Tap on it and here's where you can remove your Apple Cash payment method. To finish, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID passkey. After you do that, Apple Cash will be successfully removed from your payment and shipping options. And that is it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more video like this. I'll see you in the next one as always. I have promised.